Christmas Day, it is the day whereby everyone celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. It occurs yearly on the 25th of December. It is just a few hours to go for the big day most people have been waiting for. People in Manzini town are seen moving up and down in preparations of the Christmas Day. The busy started on Tuesday, and this morning people are still seen standing in long queues. Banks and shops are fully packed, and queues are hardly manageable. Though small entrepreneurs are saying on their side business is not going very well as compared to the previous years. At bus rank in Manzini, queues are very long, and one can tell that people are really excited for the big day. Most people are traveling back home to celebrate Christmas with their family members because they have closed at their workplaces. We see Manzini traffic police trying to control the whole situation in town, and COVID precautions are being followed since the cases have been increasing of lately. People selling second-hand clothing are excited as they get more support from people. And salons are packed, ladies getting their hair, nails done in preparations of the big day. Reporting for Channel Maswati, I am Telimpilo Dlamini and Nohlanhla Twala in Manzini.